All right, we got these great Lamicall waterproof fanny packs. There's 2 of them. This is a great brand right here. They make a lot of really great products, and this is one of them right here. You know, let's just go ahead. As I put these in, I'm just going to show you. There's a 3. These are water. This is waterproof. So this thing is amazing. You can put your phone in here. It's absolutely amazing. There's 3 layers of closing right here. So I'm going to open them one at a time just to give you a vibe. So there's 1 layer right there. I'm going to open the 2nd layer. There's the 2nd layer. And there is the 3rd layer. 3 layers of protection right there. So I'm going to put my phone inside. Just put my wallet inside. I got pepper spray. Why not put that in there? And then we're going to close it up 1 layer at a time. So we got this layer, sealing. 2nd layer, sealing. 3rd layer, sealing. So totally sealed, waterproof. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to roll up 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, and then it Velcros right here. There's a Velcro vibe right here. A Velcro it shut right there. Got the nice Lamicall logo. And there's different ways of wearing this. So one way of wearing it, it's got this little strap right here. One way of wearing it is just straight up throwing it over your shoulder. Why not? Just a basic way of doing it. You can do that. There's also, if you want to sort of throw it over your shoulders like that, and then you would use this area right here and you would just adjust it to make sure it fits. And you could also wear it on your waist. And it is a little bit stretchy. So that way it stays tight on you. You can just wear it on your waist. You're good to go. So this thing is amazing. Great fanny pack. Highly recommend.